Hi, everybody. You are almost done with your first semester. That is very exciting. I just wanted to pop on and remind you that the calendar shows that December 7th is the last day of student teaching and instruction. So I know most of you are already done with all your lessons and your SVP. That's awesome. It's going to take me a little bit longer to grade everything because I had a bunch of lessons come in at the same time, and the SVPs have to be double graded. So that just takes time. But I'm on schedule. Don't worry. If you have not done all your lessons in your SVP, this is crunch time. You need to get it done. If you're having trouble with scheduling and stuff, you need to email me ASAP. But for the most part, it seems like everybody is on a good flow. Okay. So your goal for this week is to finish up any last minute things, lessons, recording wise, SVP wise. Keep me in contact. Communicate with me if you're struggling, because it's virtual, I can't tell if you're struggling. And then I want you to go through each tab on your TK20 and anything that you need to do, like reflections, make sure those are done. I'm going to be doing all the lessons this week, obviously, and then I will be emailing you per usual. And then there will also be a final evaluation. So you need to maybe communicate with your mentor and say, hey, Miss Began's going to be sending out an email about final evals. Keep an eye open for it. If you want to do that, I would recommend it. Because I'm not in the classroom with you at all times, my insight is just what I see on recordings. So I want a more accurate view of what you've been doing and what your grows and your glows are. Speaking of grows and glows, thank you, Ruben, for answering my discussion post from last week. I would really love if everybody went on there and shared what their grows and glows are. That is just a nice way to round out the semester as we are almost done. So keep working. You got to get it done. It doesn't have to be perfect lessons, but I do need those 6 lessons, and then your SVP being one of those lessons. So remember, you're going to upload, like say you use lesson 5 for your SVP. You upload it as your lesson 5 and your SVP. So you're going to upload it twice, and I will observe it twice because it's under different lenses. So if you're confused on that, you can reach out to me, or you can read, I believe 2 weeks ago, I kind of wrote it out in a clearer way. But keep pushing. You've got this. You're almost done with your first semester, and you're one step closer to being a teacher of record. All right. Have a great Monday.